Welcome to War India News Hour. India's push to build a domestic semiconductor industry could reduce chip imports by USD 10 to 20 billion, according to a McKinsey report. Today, we will explore the report in detail, but before that, let us first take a look at today's headlines. Samsung TV outage disrupts streaming apps across the US. Thousands of Samsung TV users in the US reported a widespread outage with popular streaming apps like Netflix, Peacock, and YouTube TV failing to load. According to Down Detector, over 2,000 outage reports surfaced indicating a significant disruption. Social media users also confirmed issues across multiple states. Samsung has yet to provide an official statement regarding the cause for the outage or a timeline for restoration, leaving users frustrated as streaming services remain inaccessible. OpenAI fixes glitch that made private ChatGPT conversations appear on Google. OpenAI has addressed a privacy issue where publicly shared ChatGPT conversations were being indexed by search engines like Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. Users discovered that adding site chatgpt.com/share to Google searches surfaced shared chats, some containing highly personal content, including discussions on mental health, relationships, and addiction. OpenAI confirmed it has removed the indexing feature to protect user privacy, ensuring such conversations will no longer appear in search results. Meta reportedly reviving smartwatch project with camera-centric features. Meta may be reviving its abandoned smartwatch project, Project Milan, with a new focus on camera-based features. According to media reports, the device is designed to work seamlessly with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses and Quest VR headsets, setting it apart from typical smartwatches by scanning the environment instead of prioritizing health tracking or notifications. This move signals Meta's renewed push into wearable technology, potentially positioning it as a competitor to the Apple Watch. Apple's Tim Cook signals bigger investments in data centers and acquisitions. Apple CEO Tim Cook announced plans to significantly increase spending on AI, including building more data centers and possibly acquiring larger AI firms. This marks a shift from Apple's traditionally cautious investment approach as it works to catch up with AI leaders like Microsoft and Google, who are investing tens of billions in AI infrastructure. Despite its OpenAI partnership, Apple has faced delays in Siri upgrades and aims to strengthen its in-house AI development. Mark Zuckerberg promises personal superintelligence for everyone. Mark Zuckerberg unveiled Meta's vision for AI, focusing on developing personal superintelligence designed to empower individuals rather than drive centralized automation. In a statement, Meta emphasized that recent AI advances show early signs of self-improvement, signaling a major turning point in the evolution of advanced systems. Zuckerberg shared on Instagram, "We are building personal superintelligence for everyone, stay tuned." This move reflects Meta's ambition to make AI tools deeply personalized for enhancing individual goals and aspirations. Welcome back. With the country's semiconductor market projected to grow from USD 34.3 billion in 2023 to USD 100.2 billion by 2032, the report emphasizes the need for targeted government incentives and global tech partnerships to realize this potential. India currently excels in semiconductor design, contributing 20% of the global design workforce and hosting major R&D hubs. The government has committed USD 10 billion in incentives to attract large-scale investments in outsourced semiconductor assembly and testing and legacy node fabrication. Several mega projects worth USD 3 to 11 billion have already been announced in the past year. Despite this momentum, India faces challenges in scaling up to advanced fabrication, such as high capital costs, limited access to cutting-edge tech, and domestic supply chain gaps, especially in high-purity gases and ultra-pure water. India aims to achieve fabrication at nodes above 14 nanometer by 2030, with sub-10 nanometer nodes expected later. Strategic alliances with leading global chip makers are seen as crucial to accelerate progress and position India within the global semiconductor value chain. At this thought, we sign off for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to War India magazine. For more news and updates, you can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Stay tuned. Thank you.